The passage reflects all of the following about the human mind, except the first line of the passage. Human mind is such a kingdom where all of the knowledge and imagination, everything that human thinks, feels, and sends, comes through along with the participation of human brain. Denotes the interaction between human brain and human mind. We can see that the other paragraph of the passage says, there have been three major schools of thoughts that describe the relationship of brain and the mind. Dualism holds that the mind exists independently from the brain. Materialism argues that the mind is identical to the physical process of the brain. Idealism posits that only mental phenomena exist. So, uh, according to the message given by the passage, we can see that it is it is very clear here that the passage reflects the comparative study among the three main schools of the thought. The first paragraph of the passage shows that the NSF estimates that a human brain produces as many as 12,000 to 50,000 thoughts per day, depending on how deep thinker a person is. So the passage reflects the capacity of human being and thoughts statistically. In other paragraph, the passage says the preconscious mind includes those thoughts that we are thinking at the moment but can easily draw into our conscious mind. So we can see that we can think at the moment and it can migrate from preconscious mind to our conscious mind easily, which verify that the passage reflects the migratable stage of mind where we can think at any moment. The passage tells the imagination which revives in the mind percepts of objects formerly given in the sense perception. So the passage does not reflect that imagination which revives in the mind percepts of the objects formerly given in the sense perception, as nothing is dealt with formally given in the sense of perception. So the correct answer is choice D.